This culvert pipe installation fails.
Fails? Why does it fail?
The culvert pipe is too short.
Okay, thank you. I will get this taken care of right away. Okay, is there anything else wrong with it?
No, other than the length, everything looks good.
Okay, great, thank you. I'll check back in when I get this done. Have a great day.
All right, we're back out here at Project 205. We're gonna work on some drainage issues. These were cut a little too short, so we're gonna clear around them and add a good extension to them so we can get proper entrance here. Well, it's gonna look much kind of like this. Just put that couple foot extender on there. That way we have clear drainage. Obviously we don't want our drainage backing up, so stay tuned. We're gonna make a pile of dirt. Yeah.
Right there.
This is a muddy one, but I think we're right where we need to be. We did run out of pipe. We still got one more side to do over here. We won't be able to get to today. But this will look good once it's all said and done. Extends the driveway a couple feet, gives proper drainage. DOT will be happy, we'll be happy. And hopefully the new landowner will be happy.